How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today, which is a 2022 Peugeot 2008. And we're going to go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn, see how it goes. We're not going to be able to do a timed acceleration run. Either way, I'm going to take you guys along a little POV, see how it goes. Then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I think of it. Before we get going, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars, and we're already at the Autobahn. Let's start up the vehicle and get going. So as you guys can see there, it is definitely not the fastest thing on earth, but I really like the new Peugeots. I don't know, I like the little steering wheel. A lot of people don't like them, but I like the little steering wheel and the whole setup. I think it works really well. Sometimes it is kind of hard to see the gauges there, but other than that, it is really nice. It looks really nice. I like the little piano keys as well, and also the material quality is, I mean, it's decent. It's not the best. There's a little bit of soft touch here, kind of soft touch here. You have some nice leather here, some fake carbon. So overall, it's really not that bad. Now you have some hard touch plastic down here, of course. One thing I did notice, I've only had this for a few hours, and I will be returning this in just a bit, but the seat heating works exceptionally well. And I've always liked this combination of this 8-speed automatic with the 130 or 131 PS diesel engine in all the Peugeot models. It just works really well. It's nice, and it's very smooth. Like I said, not the fastest in the world. I'll go ahead and floor it here one more time. We're not in sport mode, but yeah, so it takes its time to get up to speed, but it's just really smooth. So cruising along with this is really nice. Also, fuel economy is very good on these as well, and it is overall a nice little SUV. I've also noticed with Peugeot models that a lot of people tend to move out of your way on the Autobahn just because of the way the front end looks there, with, like, I guess the tiger look. So I really like the design of these and all the new Peugeot models as well, and I think they've come a long way, really have. Now, they're not quite premium yet. Like I said, this is not the fastest thing on earth, and it's not the highest quality, but it's different. It feels very sporty, and I always like driving these. Now, the infotainment system is a whole nother story. It's very laggy and really not the best, and just very complicated for some reason. So yeah, that's really not the best. Also, turning off the assistance systems again, no button in the dashboard to just turn off the assistance systems, which is very unfortunate. We're gonna really need to make our way to having a button like that in the middle or somewhere in the interior to just turn off all the assistance systems. However, I must say they have not annoyed me in this car yet, but I've only been driving this, like I said, for a few hours. So to turn them off, you have to go into, I don't even know where, you have to go to this car button here, and then you go to vehicle settings. It's still in German. Vehicle settings, security, or in Sicherheit, which is yeah, I guess security. And then you go to, yeah, you can turn off all your assistance systems here, or I guess you can call this assistance or security. Either way, way too complicated, but overall I can definitely recommend the 2008. I think it is different. It feels really good, just really sporty. The little steering wheel is so cool. Have these little grab handles here. I don't know why you would want to hold on to this, but technically you could. And yeah, it's overall a really nice vehicle. I like the outside design. The 8-speed automatic works really well with this diesel engine, and everything combined is just an overall great package. So I can definitely recommend it. Be sure to subscribe to Catchy Cars for more, and leave a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.